Alright, and hello guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to install Clash of Clans to play on your computer. You're going to want to start by opening up a browser of your choice and navigating to www.bluestacks.com. You're going to see a big blue download button which you're going to click on, and it will automatically launch your download. For the purpose of this video, I've already downloaded the rather large file and have it here on my desktop. Standard installation process, you double click and it's going to start to extract the file. The file extracted is going to launch you to this home screen for the installer. You can see here, click here to view the terms of use and privacy policy, or click on the big next button to select your installation location. I have a file on my mass storage hard drive that I want to use, so I will navigate to that and select my file. Click OK and then click next. You're going to want to allow BlueStacks everything at once, whether that be App Store access or application communications. Install, and now BlueStacks is going to install itself to the location you specified in 2 windows ago. Once BlueStacks is installed, you're going to end up on this screen, which is telling you that the installation is completed and gives you the option to start BlueStacks when you click on Finish. You'll also notice on your desktop a new icon called BlueStacks, which is a shortcut to the executable file. For the purpose of this video, we are going to click on the BlueStacks box to automatically start BlueStacks when we click on Finish. What's happening at this point is BlueStacks is booting, and while you wait, you can come and check out a couple of the options that come with this. You can see here change screen size, which is pretty much change the orientation of the screen. Emulate a shake, take a screenshot, emulate your location, install an application from .apk file. Access files from your Windows machine, copy, paste, volume buttons, which we are going to mute, and a help button. BlueStacks is now initializing, and I will skip and come back to that once it is completed. Once BlueStacks has completed its initialization process, Google is going to ask you whether you want to enable it to collect anonymous location data when your device is on. Agree or disagree, this makes no difference to you. This, once again, yes or no, no difference. Once that is completed, you'll end up on this home screen. You're going to click at the top left, search, and enter the application of your choice. We are going to be installing Clash of Clans, so I can click and double click. And the first time you install an application, you need to set up a couple of things. First, you need to enter a Google account to be able to install things. So we are going to do that now. You're going to want to agree to the Google Terms of Service, Privacy Policy, and Google Play Terms of Service. And you are now going to be signed into your Google account, after which you can have the option to enable backing up data to your Google account and receiving emails from Google Play. Next, you have to set up a BlueStacks account, which is as simple as selecting your Google account and clicking on OK. And the final step, enabling app sync, you're going to have to log into your Google account once again using your password. Once you've entered your username and password, Google is going to tell you, if you do not already have a phone number registered with your account, to set one up. You can just skip this if you don't want to right now. Google is going to log you in, and you have completed the one-time setup that you have to do before installing any applications. Once you're back on this home screen, you can click on Let's Go, and you be redirected to the application page within the App Store. You can click on Install, and Clash of Clans is going to tell you what it needs access to function properly. Click on Accept, and the application will begin to download and then install. So to access any application that you install, you go back to the Android tab, and you will see here at the top by the My BlueStacks, the applications you have installed will appear there once they've completed downloading. Clash of Clans is now installing, and it is completed. You will see here that we have our icon. You can click on that and it will boot into the application. Once Clash of Clans is done installing and loading, you will have the option to sign into your Google Play account, which I recommend you do. Simple as clicking a button, and because this is the village, this is the first village on this device, you're going to have to run through the introduction. Allow Google Play access to everything it needs, and here we have to run through the intro, which I will do quickly now. Once you have completed the introduction and the tutorial, you will have to enter your name for your village. Enter a generic name because at this point, if you want to link your village with an old village or a village you have on a different device, then the name does not really matter at this point. So, if all you want to do is create a new town hall on a computer, then feel free to leave this video now. But if you want to link it with an older device or another village, feel free to click on Settings, click on the Settings tab, and link device. Now, on your other device, for this example I'm using an iPhone 6, you are going to click same settings, Settings tab, and click on this is the old device. On your other device, you're going to have to choose the device you want to connect to, and I'm going to click on I want to connect to a different device. Now the code is only valid for 2 minutes, so quickly come back to your desktop and click on this is the new device. Enter the code on your screen now. Mine is 669M6NRJUMJ. Now you're going to have to reassure that you are absolutely sure you want to delete the current village and replace it with the other village. Click on OK, and you can see now that your linking is successful and your game will restart. So the game restarts, and make sure you're not trying to reconnect to your village on your other device. So you can see here I have access to my other village on my other device. Now you can obviously go back to your other phone if you want, but only one device can be on your village at a time. So if I try to log into my village right now, it's going to kick me off of this device. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and a comment down below, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.